Snow is starting to melt here. Lake Louise. That's Lake Louise. Lake Louise. It's people over here.
Lake Louise. Sa buri sa ginatuan diri diri. Mani ka og Calgary.
So slippery. People. Slippery slopes.
After 5 years, garbo ka balik.
We got to Calgary. Awesome place, great place.
Avalanche. No. This avalanche.
Snowy land, Lake Louise. Lake Louise. This is a great place, man. Unbelievably great, awesome place. Lake Louise, Alberta, Canada. It's one of the best places in Canada, man. Can't see anything like this anywhere else in this world. Yeah, such a wonderful experience I'm having here in Canada. Getting to Lake Louise during spring, where the snow is still thick. Snow is still thick over here, right? It's gonna leave me here. I can stay here for an hour or two. It's just an awesome place. Lots of people around. Of course, it's a park. Oh, hi, Private. Ito sa.
Ano nga baga is no.
Oh.
Well, risk for avalanche diri.
Oh,
Ito man.
nakuha lang. Lake Louise, frozen lake. There's thick ice over here. Thick ice. Thick ice. There's a house. The house over here. So a lot of people. This is the hotel. It's the hotel. This is a Fairmont Hotel. Great place to stay in. All right, thank you for watching. We're walking in Lake Louise, my friends. Lake Louise. Lake Louise. There you go. Lake Louise. It's pretty awesome. There's the sun above us, and then some snow here. Yeah, this snow is still thick. It's really cold out here. Wala. Really cold out here. seen anything like this? Have you seen anything like this? Leave a comment. Leave a comment in this video if you've seen anything like this. Oh. It's just a great place. Someone built a snowman. So funny, man. So funny. Someone actually built a snowman here. Oh. Snowman here. It's a snowman. Yeah, see the snowman. Someone built a snowman over here in Lake Louise, man, friends. And let me see that snowman. Yeah. Someone built a snowman. There you go. Perfect. Snowman. This thick ice, Lake Louise. This is thick, but then I think it's slowly melting. Oh. Ice might be slowly melting. Oh my goodness. Snow wonderland. Snowy wonderland. Snowy. It's a thick area of snow. Nothing but snow on here. It's nothing but snow. The snow is actually getting soft. Oh goodness. It's a really awesome experience. I can't believe this. Lake Louise and walking down here. Thank you for watching this walking tour of the frozen Lake Louise. Let's go around. Oh, the snow's actually getting very soft. Really soft. Oh. It's pretty safe. It's pretty safe to walk here. Oh. Just getting nervous because yeah, the snow is kind of, you know, making it hard to walk. Snowy wonderland. This is snowy wonderland. This is really a wonderland, man. Seen anything like this? watching this walking tour of Lake Louise. Hope you're enjoying this video like I enjoy taking this video. Oh my goodness, this is hard snow. Got here. It's gonna, it's hard in the skin. It's kind of making the skin dry. Oh. What if the ice just suddenly melts, right? We're in the middle of the lake, swimming in freaking cold water. We're now in the middle of the lake. Middle of the lake, my friends. It's really a long walk here, like probably around 5 kilometer walk if you run around or walk around this lake, probably even more. It's hard to estimate. If you walk across this, probably it's around from one side to the other. I think it would take close to 3 kilometers, more or so, maybe more. Again, it's hard to estimate, man. Just having fun here. Winter Wonderland. I just want to sit here. So Winter Wonderland. Big snow. Middle of the lake.